How to create the neon effect. Step 1. Cover all outlines with a white jelly roller. You may have to pass over the same line a few times just to make sure that no black shows through. If you happen to have a Posca, go ahead and use that instead. A Posca marker is acrylic paint, so it's going to cover your lines a lot quicker than the jelly roller would. Once you're done covering all your lines, you're going to take out your neon yellow jelly roller. If you don't have one, I'll put a link in the video description. Trace around both sides of all your white lines. You don't have to pass more than once to start. You're going to go back and do that later anyways. With a dark gray alcohol marker, fill in all the areas outside of your outlines. Going back to your neon jelly roller, you're going to go back over your yellow lines. This time you're going to pass more than once. So I pass about two to three times over my yellow line, but I also pass a little bit over the gray, just so that it looks like there's some sort of a reflection. Now this is a white charcoal pencil. You're going to take your charcoal pencil and you're going to just rub around your outline, and then you're going to rub with your finger. So you do this process over and over again, just making sure not to rub too much, because if you spread that white out and you completely cover your gray, you're going to take away that shadow that's really important to keep. So start off just a little bit, and in the smaller areas I like to rub it with a brush instead of my finger so that it doesn't spread too far. This is really going to help control that blur. As you can see, I go around and I progressively add a little bit more white, and then at the end I'm going to make a darker white line really close to the edge so that it really makes it pop. This really is my favorite way to create this neon effect. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more, subscribe to my channel. I've got lots of great content.